In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transform controls in Photopea, a fantastic free online photo editor. First, head over to photopea.com. It's a powerful tool that mimics many features of more well-known software like Adobe Photoshop, but it's all available in your web browser for free. If you haven't used it before, you'll find that it's quite intuitive once you get the hang of it. Once you're on the Photopea site and have your image loaded, we can start working on transforming controls. Let's take a moment to focus our attention on the left side of the Photopea interface. This area is home to a variety of editing tools, each designed to help you perfect your image. What we'll do next is locate and click on the Move tool. It's usually the topmost tool and looks like a cross with arrows. In Photopea, before you enable transform controls, your editing capabilities are somewhat limited. For example, you're able to move layers around, but the editing options won't be as expansive. Understanding this limitation helps set the stage for why transforming controls is so useful. Let's start with an example, using some sample flower layers. Once you've selected a layer, you'll notice you can move them around the canvas, but as mentioned, the functionality is quite basic without any transformation options at this point. To unlock more capabilities, let's focus on enabling transform controls. Direct your attention to the top options bar where you'll find a checkbox labeled Transform Controls. By checking this box, you'll activate a bounding box, complete with handles, around your selected layer. This is where the magic happens. With these handles now visible, click and drag the corners of the bounding box to resize your image. If you'd like to rotate it, hover just outside one of the corners until you see a curved arrow, and then drag to rotate. Rotating can add dynamic angles to your composition. Furthermore, these transformation controls offer even more advanced options if you right-click inside the bounding box. Access options such as skew, distort, and perspective, which allow for creative adjustments that can dramatically change the appearance of your layer. It's incredibly useful if you're aiming for a specific look or trying to fit the layer into a particular part of your image accurately. I find that if you're often moving and resizing layers, keeping these transform controls active makes it much easier to adjust elements quickly and visually. Assigning them to your workflow can significantly enhance your editing efficiency and creativity. Congratulations, you've just learned how to transform controls in Photopea. This new capability adds a tremendous amount of flexibility to your editing process, allowing you to adjust images precisely to your liking. Keep practicing, explore other features, and enjoy creating stunning images with Photopea.